And with all due respect, Chris, I'm gonna push back on you in the relationship thing, just
Please.
for the sake of our audience. Okay, because I think that's one of the biggest misnomers. And I'm not saying sales is not relationship based. Okay, but put it this way: let's say we were therapists, right? And we're helping people solve problems because that's what salespeople do. They help people
Yeah.
improve lives and solve problems. And you were a therapist and you just let that person come to your office, $600 an hour for this therapy session, and you just let them talk. And we're like, okay, Chris, see you later. Bye. See you next week, same time. Right. This is where people get screwed up with the relationship stuff. They think sales is all about relationships, right? It's all about building that rapport. It is not. Okay. That's nice if that happens organically, but you are like, we teach certified master sales consultants, keyword being consultant. Your job in that relationship is to listen, to be able to say things like, hey, Chris, because of the fact that you said blank, I'd like to recommend blank, right? To listen, to diagnose, to synthesize, and then to make recommendations.